Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently literally mid-packing and I thought I'd do a little pack with me. I'm actually filming it for TikTok as well, so you might see the short version of it first, but I got everything laid out. This is basically what we're working with. So long story short, we're gonna be in PA for like 3 days. So it's a super short trip, but nevertheless, we are gonna go out to eat. We're gonna have a dinner night. We're gonna, do all the things. So I'm packing with that in mind. I already have my airport outfits ready. So let's do it. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I filmed a tiny bit yesterday, just kind of showing you guys my packing, but you guys are probably gonna see that on the shorts version on YouTube. So this morning I'm literally getting ready to go to the airport, and I'm filming it, obviously. Got all my setup over here, so you guys will be kind of like the behind the scenes footage of me filming. This is my airport fit. Got this like cute top from Princess Polly, and these are some jeans from Revolve. So I'm all ready to go. Let me show you my fit of the day fully. So I've got Woman Empowered necklace. I've got my favorite silver ring with my moonstone on the other hand. I got some protection, evil eye going on. Then I've got my Princess Polly long sleeve top. I love this. This is a pair of A Goldie jeans. I love traveling with these because they're super comfortable. And Converse, white Converse. And that's my look. On our way to the airport. Chaotic. That's trying to find.
You could have made that the thumbnail.
Parking. We just arrived. We're waiting for our luggage because we have to check it in. So it is chilly here. Apparently it's like 65 degrees, but it feels more like 50s, I would say.
They said 61.
Oh, 61? Okay. Yeah.
Upper
61.
50s,
Okay guys, we are in downtown Philadelphia. We're going to Maggiano's to eat. Looking casual. It's actually kind of cold, but I want to show off my shirt. Finished eating. We're using the restrooms because we have a 2-hour drive to our Airbnb. We got food to go, coffees, we have dessert. Oh my god, I'm so excited to eat it. It is a 3-layered cake, I believe. Delicious. And then we got lasagna and spaghetti for tomorrow, actually.